it's Melanie and I'm back with another DIY. I'm totally into DIY wreaths lately. This was inspired by a few things. The first was the signs that I've seen everywhere, but that say home and like the letters, but the middle letters like a wreath. And I might still make one of those, but I saw this little home sign for like 90 cents or something really inexpensive at Michael's, and I knew I wanted to do something with it, so I bought it. And then the rest is all actually from Dollar Tree. The base is from Dollar Tree, this moss, and these all from Dollar Tree. So total I spent less than $4 on this. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's really super simple, I promise. Alright, here's the video.
Alrighty, for supplies, you would need a glue gun and glue sticks. This guy is from Dollar General. He was $3. The refills are only $1 at Dollar Tree. You'll need scissors, of course, and then this guy is the star of the show. He's like a floral foam piece, which I'm using as a wreath form. He was at Dollar Tree, as well as this stuff, the Spanish moss. I only used one packet. You might want to buy two, like I did, just in case. And then you want to buy your flowers. All three of these were in the floral section at my dollar store. I chose the white flowers because I don't know, they matched my living room. I thought that was kind of country looking, like farmhouse looking. I really liked it. First thing you want to do is fluff up your moss, or like pull it apart because it's all bunched together. You do the same thing, you know, like filler if you're going to make a pillow. But anyway, you got to fluff it up, make it look nice, and then you're just going to hot glue it directly onto your foam. Be careful because I burnt myself quite a few times because the glue can like come through if you push it in. But anyway, a couple tips. You want to make sure that you glue it onto the front and both sides. You don't want to bunch it up too much. But the great thing about this is it's kind of forgiving. Here's a sped up video of my process. But anyway, it's kind of forgiving. If you add too much, you can cut a little off. If you don't put enough in, you can always put in some like filler. I totally recommend, you know, filling in all the spaces with like the little pieces that fall off. It's pretty simple as long as you don't burn yourself, which I did. I swear it's not that tough. But anyway, the next thing you want to do is add your flowers. So the way that I did it, because I used these and they're smaller, I have a different video where I add, that's my daughter wanting to help, I have larger flowers, and I will put that in the description bar below if you're going to add larger flowers, because I have a different tip for that. But anyway, if you're going to add these smaller flowers, the first thing you can do is take them off of the stems. Really super easy. And then you just cut it down to wherever however short you want it to be, and then you just shove it right in. That's the glory of this being a foam piece. You can just shove the flowers in. The only thing is, if you have some glue there from where you glued it down, it might be a little harder for you to shove it in, which is kind of what I'm showing you here. And you may need to like pre-poke a little hole with like a needle or a pen, or just find a different place to poke it. I mean, it's pretty forgiving, which is what I like about this one. So that's me just cutting a different piece, and then you just shove it right in. Pretty super simple, easy peasy. You don't have to like cut such small chunks at a time, but I wanted mine to be really far down in, so that's what I did. Yeah, anyway. So this is what mine looked like when I was done. You can put flowers the whole way around. You can do whatever you want. I love the way this looks with just a little bit. I think this would look awesome covered in flowers too. I'm going to add a decal. You, of course, don't have to. I found these at Michael's in the little wooden craft section for under $1, and then I used my coupon because y'all know I love my coupons. And then I chose to use the home sign with this particular one because I just love the way it looks. I think it's kind of on trend with what's going on in like the farmhouse look nowadays. So then you just have to glue it on. Be careful not to put too much glue because it will seep out of the sides and you'll be able to see it. But make sure you put enough because you got to make sure it holds down into that moss, because, you know, if it's not glued right, it could come off easily because it is the moss. My daughter just came over. Hi! You want to say hi? No? Okay. Anyway, ta-da! This is the finished product. I super duper love it. I want to talk about how I hang it up because it's super easy. I literally hung a nail and then it just stuck right on there. I thought I was going to have to make a hole in the back. I didn't. You cannot see the nail. It hangs perfectly. If you think of a better solution, please let me know in the comments below. Now you want to say hi. You say hi? Okay, you need more cheese. My 2-year-old needs more cheese, you guys. My 2-year-old needs more cheese. But that is it. Please let me know if you have any other ideas. But yeah, please stay. Please subscribe. Yes, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe for more DIYs. I gotta go get her some cheese. Thanks for watching. It means the world to me. Bye, all. Love yous.